All right, welcome back to another room tour. Here's where we are. We're at Bay Lake Tower, 2-bedroom villa with a theme park view. So we're gonna start this thing out. I'm gonna walk in right here. Amelia just showed her face, giggled a little bit when she realized she was in the show. I'm going to start right here. You got a bathroom. It's pretty awesome. Oh, look at that light. Got a good 3-way mirror, got a shower. All your amenities are separate. That's pretty wonderful and great. We're gonna walk this way. You got a closet. Nice storage if you want it. There's even a laundry basket. We come in here. We'll get there in a minute. You got a bathroom, single vanity, and you have another room with a shower. So that's 2 showers, keep count. You have a nice little closet right here. That's wonderful. And then you have this room, all right? So you have a TV. Right now, because we're in the coronavirus pandemic, individually packaged remote. You have 2 queens here, which is really nice. Because this is the dedicated 2-bedroom, not the lock-off. You, of course, have your curtains, you have a table, chairs, all that type of thing, which is wonderful. This is nice. It's nighttime. We just got here recently. This is the best part. You've got a great view of Magic Kingdom. And you, of course, have the Contemporary right there, which you're a part of. So we're going to go ahead and keep walking back through. We're gonna come all the way this way. You, of course, have the washer and dryer, which is wonderful. I'm probably gonna catch some of them in the room somewhere. Here they all are. You have a kitchen table for many people. Amelia, Lindsay, with the full kitchen, full refrigerator, full sink, dishwasher, oven, stove, microwave, full coffee pot, all that stuff. Got some nice seats here. They're running for their lives. Heath is enjoying the chair. Got a large TV, big window overlooking that view. All right, we're gonna keep going. There's a door right there to the balcony. We're gonna keep going this way though. And we'll enter into here. There's a closet to my left. We have a bathroom, bathtub. It's jetted. That's exciting. You have a toilet and a walk-in shower that has 2 great shower heads. That's wonderful. And we'll end right here where you have a king bed. The signs above the door. You have another TV, and then this is the balcony that you can actually, oh, it's been locked, that you can actually enter in from the living room as well. But that also overlooks Magic Kingdom and Space Mountain and the castle. And you can see Splash Mountain off in the distance if you look closely. Another party trick here is that you can pull these open and you have the bathtub. So there is a really quick room tour of Bay Lake Tower, 2-bedroom theme park view room.